Going guys, Brian here with an ADA update. Look at this breaking resistance. Okay, it did end up wicking down here to 54.5. Okay, we got a wick down, and then we got a bounce from there. All right, if you look on this thing, check this out. We go out in the daily. All right, and check weekly. There we go. And if we put a fib on this, from the swing low to the swing high. Swing high right there. Check this out. This thing wicked right down to a 786. Okay, I gotta pull that down a little bit. Right, what's this fib? Right down there. Look at it. Ended up wicking down there a little bit deeper. You know, that would have been a great entry there. Around 55 cents. Ended up wicking down to 54.5. Just past the 786 and bounced. I believe that bottom is definitely in my opinion, not financial advice. You hit a 786, that's usually the end of the line. Look at it here. Look how it bounced right on that blue line, that 786, the daily. And look at it taking off. I believe the Cardano is going to run here. All right, we got Bitcoin over here. And we all know Bitcoin, everything runs on Bitcoin. Okay, look at Bitcoin. Look at this candle. Now, the big area coming up for Bitcoin, I'm going to show you it because it's huge. 43.4. Okay, keep a super close eye on 43,400. That's right up here in the 702 fib range. I'm going to put a fib on here for you. Oh, there it is. Popped up finally. All right, if it gets rejected up here at that 702, let me get this off here. Then it could be doing a big ABC. It could be doing 5 waves down. So that is the huge area. And here we go. All right, it broke through that first level here that we were looking at. So right up here at this 702, 43.3, 43.4. Yeah, I'd say 43.4 just to be safe. If it breaks through that, then it's not going to get rejected, okay? That I'm keeping a super close eye on, because if we get a rejection here, then it's coming down to about the 30, 38.8, somewhere around there. I measured it out to. Let's see what it would be. Pull this down on top of that. Okay, there you go. That would be a target down there. You know, 38.6, 38.8, right down in that range. I apologize, guys. You see my Wi-Fi coming in and out there. That having a pretty bad ice storm right now here where I'm at. It's getting a little crazy out there. So 43.4 is a big, massive area you want to keep an eye on right through here. Okay, needs to break. If it breaks above that, we are in good shape. If it gets rejected there, all right, watch out. We could get a pullback here, okay? But as far as things go right now, we have ADA breaking resistance, all right, and popping its head up there. Look at these RSIs. The 12 hours on the floor. The daily is just about reset, okay? You got your 8 hour just turning up, and you got your 4 hour turning up, okay? So it looks like a legit breakout here. You broke resistance, it's starting to head up, okay? I believe that pullback was good enough. Let's see. Let's look and see where big levels are going to be at here to take out. All right, that 702 is right up at 64 cents. Okay, that's a huge area to take out. That 702 always comes, believe me, it's a massive area. Look how it lines up with this resistance up here. At 64 cents, right through there. You can see it. Let me get my arrow right here. See that? That was support there and resistance on this red candle. One was support and one was resistance. That's right in the 64 cent area. And that 702 comes in right there. So very key area to break through. We break through them areas, and I believe we're heading higher. Okay, so 64 cents is a big one. First one we're going to have to take out is, looks like 61 cents. 60 to 61 cents. You got a massive resistance area right there. Okay, you can see it. We break that, and then we should be heading up these higher targets. That's 64. We take that out. Then we got 66, 7, call it 67 cents. That would be the next one after that, okay? Then the next target would be up 75, 76 cents. So Cardano's looking good. All the RSIs are reset, so keep an eye on this thing. Watch for them levels, all right? Them key levels to break right up through here. You got them big ones, the big yellow ones here. That's the levels you want to keep an eye on. Got very, very good support down through here. If we any I don't think we're going to have any kind of pullback. I believe Bitcoin is legitimately making a run here. Very good support at that 54.5. We ended up wicking down there. That's where it bounced from. That was the 786. So I believe this thing is going to run up. In my heart, I believe that. Not financial advice. Let's take a look at the weekly. The weekly's right at the top, and the monthly's still heading up. Look at that weekly. Look how we almost triple topped here. Okay, you want to see a higher high here for sure. A higher closing candle. Look at that. Super hard resistance there, right where we're at. Right at 59. Wow. This is on the weekly chart. You can see we're just making a higher high, taking that out. So that's a huge level, 59.5. And right now we're breaking above it, so that's good to see. All right, keep an eye on them levels, guys. Super important to definitely watch those levels. But you can see right here, every one you change is going to change your trend lines. Okay, so if you go to the 12-hour, there you can see a breakout. All right, if you go in the 8-hour, all right, you're going to have to adjust them a little bit. Every hour, every change you make, you got to adjust your lines, you know. You can see a clear breakout of this thing. It broke resistance. So looks like ADA's in good shape, guys. Keep an eye on these key levels and watch for Bitcoin. Watch that big level I talked about. Please hit the like and subscribe. I would appreciate that so very, very much. Here's your bubbles for the day. These things, a lot of them should be popping green. Bitcoin 1.7%. Look at Injective. I cover it quite a bit. Block stacks. Bonk having a little bit of a pullback after a massive run. 7x in 1 month. Fetch, I covered that. Keep an eye on that one. I got them key levels to watch if you're in Fetch. And all right, guys, thank you very, very much. Have a great day, everybody.